Hello guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to disappear on OmeTV. First, open your browser and search for split cam. Then download it and install it on your computer. Once it opens, go to the settings and then click on additional. In here, rename split cam to any webcam name you want. After that, save the changes and close the app. Next, right click on this PC and open manage. Then go to the device manager and disable your real webcam. Once that's done, just minimize the window. Now open your browser and go to the OmeTV. After the site loads, you will see the split cam logo. This means split cam is now the only available webcam. Now minimize OmeTV, go back to device manager and enable your real webcam again. Then close device manager and open split cam. Inside split cam, add your webcam. Then take a snapshot without yourself in the frame. Make sure it's only a photo of your background. Then add that image into split cam. Now you can simply hide and show this background image to do the disappearing prank on OmeTV. Go back to the OmeTV tab and arrange like this. Then start a chat, show the background image and it will look like you have disappeared. Try this out and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.